So, hi guys, good morning. So, ngayon po is itatopic natin. Actually, I just saw this one in TikTok and very helpful siya because especially to those people na nagsistart pa lang to grow up as a teenager or maybe nasa 20s na pero hindi masyadong alam yung mga hacks when it comes to, hygiene hacks, ganon. So, maybe this can help you to become more confident to yourself. So, please watch this. So, ayan guys. I hope makatulong. Thank you for watching.